Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot has long stood at the forefront of robotics and artificial intelligence. Designed to mirror human biomechanics, Atlas has transformed from a rigid machine into an agile, expressive humanoid. With its latest updates, Atlas isn't just walking and jumping anymore, it's interpreting, adapting, and executing tasks in ways that raise serious questions about the future of robotics. Could this be the moment where robotics truly takes a leap toward general intelligence? As technology continues to break barriers, Atlas has become more than just a research tool. It is now a symbol of what might soon be commonplace: humanoid robots that work, interact, and perhaps even think like us. These rapid advancements suggest we are inching closer to a sci-fi reality. Atlas was first unveiled in 2013 as part of a DARPA initiative focused on disaster response. At the time, it was a bulky, tethered robot primarily designed for mobility. Over the years, the platform has evolved dramatically. Atlas went from clunky testbed to a high-performance humanoid capable of navigating rough terrain, performing backflips, and now executing highly precise manipulations. The 2024 shift from hydraulics to an all-electric model marked a massive step forward, enabling better control, lower latency, and more advanced integration with AI systems. This shift was not merely about upgrading hardware. It signaled a deeper integration with cutting-edge AI models, allowing Atlas to interpret its environment, anticipate changes, and act on its own without manual oversight. That leap reflects a broader shift in robotics. Machines are no longer just tools. They're becoming collaborators. In early 2025, Boston Dynamics released stunning footage showing the newest version of Atlas performing tasks that were previously thought to be reserved for highly specialized industrial robots or human workers. These are some of the most groundbreaking developments. 1. Fluid motion and dynamic locomotion. The new Atlas moves with unprecedented grace. It runs with smooth gait cycles, adjusts posture in real time, and recovers balance instantly when pushed. This fluidity is thanks to improved motor control, predictive AI modeling, and a full suite of internal sensors that feed data to its onboard learning systems. What's different now is that Atlas no longer just reacts, it anticipates. It maps the terrain ahead in milliseconds and adjusts its stride accordingly, making it ideal for dynamic or unpredictable environments. 2. Gymnastic and creative maneuvers. Atlas can now perform full gymnastic routines, including front flips, aerial spins, and synchronized dance moves. Even more impressive, the movements are not pre-programmed. They are generated in real time by a reinforcement learning model trained on vast datasets of human motion. During a live demo, Atlas was shown improvising new movements based on music beats, suggesting it can now adapt creatively. This level of expressiveness is rare, even among modern robots, and could be used in entertainment, performance arts, or therapy. 3. Advanced object manipulation. One of the major upgrades is Atlas's hand design. It now features high-precision grip, tactile sensors, and real-time haptic feedback, allowing the robot to open doors, use tools, and handle fragile objects without damage. These hands were demonstrated stacking delicate glassware, tying shoelaces, and even using a power drill, all without breaking a sweat. The implications for logistics, manufacturing, and even in home caregiving are massive. 4. Integration with AI platforms. Boston Dynamics has partnered with NVIDIA to equip Atlas with Jetson Thor, a cutting-edge AI compute platform. This allows Atlas to process visual data, speech cues, and environmental context simultaneously, dramatically enhancing its decision-making capabilities. It's not just about speed, it's about smart, adaptive behavior. Atlas can now interpret voice commands, recognize team members, and distinguish between similar objects based on context. 5. Real-world deployment scenarios. Atlas has recently been showcased performing complex tasks in simulated warehouse and content production environments. It can identify specific objects, navigate obstacles, and even operate a camera rig on a film set, a test conducted in collaboration with WPP. In another test, Atlas helped move boxes in a dynamic warehouse where items were being constantly relocated. It rerouted itself in real time, optimized picking order, and even collaborated with a spot robot. 6. Human-like awareness and coordination. Using a combination of LiDAR, stereo cameras, and AI inference engines, Atlas can map environments and predict human movements. This anticipatory behavior allows it to safely collaborate with humans in shared spaces. During demonstrations, it was able to detect when a human was about to enter its path and yield accordingly. That kind of social awareness is critical for robots working in hospitals, factories, and even public spaces. These technological leaps suggest we're entering a new era of human-robot interaction. Here's what it could mean. Industrial transformation. With its new manipulation skills, Atlas can transition from a demonstration unit to a functional worker in logistics, manufacturing, or even healthcare support. It could take over tasks that are too dangerous, repetitive, or precise for human hands. Human-robot symbiosis. Atlas is moving toward becoming a collaborative partner, not just a tool. It can learn from human behavior, adjust in real time, and assist in ways that increase overall efficiency and safety. This means humans and robots might one day work as co-workers, each leveraging their strengths. Ethical implications. As robots become more autonomous and capable, issues like job displacement, surveillance, and responsibility in case of malfunctions need urgent attention. Who is accountable when a robot makes a decision that impacts humans? And how do we ensure privacy and safety? Technological acceleration. The integration of AI platforms into robots like Atlas means faster innovation cycles. Each upgrade not only improves Atlas, but sets a new baseline for robotics globally. It also democratizes advanced robotics by pushing other developers to keep pace. Societal shifts. Beyond the workplace, these robots could change how we live. Elderly care, education, entertainment, and disaster response are all areas where humanoid robots may soon become indispensable. Aaron Saunders, CTO of Boston Dynamics, said, "With the current generation of our electric Atlas, we are building the world's most capable humanoid and collaborating with NVIDIA to integrate Jetson. Thor means that robot now has the highest performance compute platform behind it." A robotics expert at MIT, Dr. Lena Wu, commented, "What we're seeing with Atlas is not just mechanical improvement. We're witnessing a shift toward embodied AI, where physical intelligence mirrors cognitive intelligence." Dr. Javier Reyes, a robotics ethicist, added, "These machines are becoming powerful, fast, and intelligent. But we must tread carefully. The social frameworks around their deployment are just as important as the tech driving them." Boston Dynamics' Atlas has transitioned from a lab-bound prototype to a near-human robotic system capable of intelligent movement and interaction. This evolution marks a significant milestone in both robotics and AI. The line between machine and human function is becoming more blurred, and the implications for society are enormous. As Atlas continues to evolve, it might redefine how we work, how we live, and how we perceive intelligence itself. Whether it's in warehouses or walking beside us on city streets, the age of advanced humanoid robots is no longer a prediction, it's unfolding now. Remember to like and subscribe for more AI and tech news. Let us know in the comments, do you think robots like Atlas will one day work alongside us in everyday life? Or are we moving too fast into the future? What tasks do you think robots should never perform? Let us know. Your voice helps shape the conversation around ethics in emerging technology.